Welcome back to Montana Off-Road. My name is Adam, and today we're in the Little Belt Mountains, and we're doing the Mount Baldy Trail, or the Big Baldy Trail. What's it called? Is that what it's called?
Big Baldy. Big amount.
All right, well, I'm with my buddy Keisto here.
Oh, hey.
And we're gonna go ahead and bring you guys along with us today and just show you the trail. And this is the first time that we're gonna have the Jeeps out on camera on the trail, so really excited to do that. Stay tuned.
What's better than the outdoors? The outdoors and Jeeps. Yeah!
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin.
All right, so we're on our way back down now. It's a really pretty moderate trail, but it was a lot of fun. Just had a nice little meal while we were up there. Like I said, 2010, this is his first Jeep that he's owned. I've been trying to get him to get one for quite some time
Good
now,
sales,
and
man.
yeah, it worked out good. So I'm gonna flip you around really quick and just show it to you. So fortunately, he was able to buy this with most of it on there. So it has the cool snorkel, a nice little rack on the top, aftermarket bumper and winch, aftermarket wheels. Now those might just be painted stock actually, but pretty solid rig. He's super happy with it. Got a pretty good deal on it considering the pandemic that we're in and the shortage of vehicles. So yeah, got anything to say about it?
I like it. See you later.
Good enough. All right, guys, gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thanks so much for watching. It's a beautiful day up here in the Little Belt Mountains. Got a great opportunity to take Keisto's Jeep out for the first time and then get mine out for the first time on the channel. Not a super technical trail, but super fun. Beautiful views, beautiful weather. You got anything to say, Keisto?
I just want to thank Adam for allowing me to be on this awesome channel with him. And so be sure to give him all the likes and subscribes. And till next time, ain't nothing like a Jeep, baby.
Thanks, Keisto. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.